Akory aby Jocelyn miaraka aminao avy aty Ranomafana, miaraka eto indraytsika amin'ny vidéo iray vaovao mahakasika ny Sincere System. Vidéo faharoa ambin'ny folo amin'ny vidéo review mahakasika an'izay Sincere System zay. Manasanao ary naraka tsara vidéo hatramin'ny farany ary tonga dia lasa avy hatramintsika. Raha izao anao no tafaraka amiko dia Jocelyn Rendresourniana miaraka aminao ao anatin'ity profil Facebook ety dia cliqueo ilay suivi na follow dia maraka an'ireo posta maro samihafa ataoko eny amin'ny mirako eny ianao. Efa somary maromaro ilay namana dia tsy maintsy mijery tsara zany hoe iza ireo olona afaka hiara-asa amiko ary mamafa ireo tsy izy dia mampiditra atsika izay rehetra vonona hiara-asa amiko. Lasa atsika iaho dia araka hitantsika amin'ny posta maro samihafa eny na hitantsika eto amin'ny posta na ny amin'ny canal YouTube toy ny hitantsika ety dia milofo tanteraka ao anatin'ilay resaka Sincere System dia raha ohatra ka mahaliana anao zay dia misy roa ampiarahako amin'ity vidéo ty ary araho tsara mitondra anao mankety zay roa zay dia cliqueo le blog voalohany ety dia araho le vidéo faraka amin'ny folo ity zay teo aloha manoro anao amin'ny ankapobeny ny fandehan'ny Sincere System. Fa lasa avy hatramintsika makany amin'ny Sincere System. Izy ity zany dia site anankiray fanaovana investissement ary minimum ny investissement $105. Araho le vidéo teo aloha manoro anao ny zavatra rehetra ary hitantsika zay arakaraka ny angezan'ny dépôt anananao no mangeda ihany koa ny commission azonao ao anatiny ao. Ny investissement ataonao dia tsy expiré mihitsy fa arakaraka ny montant anaovanao ny investissement iny zany hozahoanao gain ao anatiny. Raha ohatra ka mandeha anao anatin'ny blog dia mahita an'ilay fichier présentation ny Sincere System iny dia hitanao ao ty sary anankiray ity. Dia amin'ny ankapobeny ireo zany ny fandehany reto sary anankiroa reto zany no mandrafitra anazy amin'ny ankapobeny io sy ity zany. Dia raha mijeritsika ilay sartany income teo mila manana dépôt ianao zany $100 minimum, $105 io satria raha mijeritsika misy rehefa manao an'le dépôt anao dia misy an'ity 5% makany amin'ny rehefa mandeha amin'ny forex zany ilay volanao dia misy 5% ny dépôt. Zavatra tsara zay satria tsy dia vola be manao ahoana io ary ny dépôt ataonao tsy expiré mihitsy. Dia na ohatra ary ataoko hoe manana capital ianao hatrany amin'ny $10,000 dia manao réinvestissement ianao $100 dia aty no anaovanao dépôt fa ny retournao tandrify ato foana. Dia ohatrohatr'izay fomba fanazavana ny reto raha ohatra mihoatra ny $50,000 zao ny dépôtnao dia 85% ny makany aminao ary 15% makany amin'ny système. Dia lay sarta teo ity lay turnover ity le raha ohatra manao promotion ianao dia misy an'ilay vola capital an'ireo teamanao zany ny ato io dia amin'ny alalan'iny no azahoanao bonus raha ohatra tafakatra $25,000 ny capital an'ireo mpiara-miasa aminao na le partenaire anao dia na manana dépôt $100 fotsiny ianao dia afaka mahazo $1,000 bonus avy any amin'ny système ary ny commission ny gain du retournao mahazo ianao amin'ny dépôt ataon'ireo olona reo ihany koa 10% amin'izay fotoan'izay rehefa tonga eto amin'ny level fahaefatra eto ianao. Iny zany level voalohany, level faharoa hatrany hatramin'ny level fahafolo. Atsika iny zany mandrafitra anazy ary azonao arahana tsara fomba fanazavana anazy iny ao amin'ny vidéo tany aloha tany. Zao deseko anao ny mombamomba ny back office koa amin'ny ankapobeny mahatratra $221 tamin'ny vidéo 11 teo nahitanareo ny fomba nanapiko an'ilay capital, ary androany dia hanoro antsika hoe ahoana ny famadihana ilay commission azonao ho lasa USD, zany hoe ilay commission amin'ny token SNT, ilay token ny sincère zany io tsy maintsy samy membre ihany manana an'io dia fomba famadihana anazy mandeha anao amin'ny onglet finance, dia klikena tandrify amin'ilay hoe exchange, dia klikena ndrepandehany ilay hoe change currency, dia amin'izay fotoan'izay token mivadika USD zany ilay izy, dia apetako eo iaho manana 36 token, dia apetako eo ilay 36, dia klikeko amin'izay le $4.32 eo zany valeurany, satria ny sandan'ny token anankiray raha jerentsika ato zany zao dia $0.12 eo, zay zany valeurany. Dia klikeko avy hatrany ilay exchange, dia hitantsika to dia manome message amin'ny bot ilay izy ary hitantsika io ilay valeurany izy teo lasa $11. Ao anatin'io misy zavatra mahafinaritra be satria dia nisy transfert nataon'ny parrain koa hitantsika zay atao anatin'ny bot, satria iaho manao promotion ny sincère system, dia nanamboatra vidéo izy fomba fanoroana hoe ahoana manao transfert na fond ao anatin'ilay sincère system, dia fomba fanaovana anazy nanoro izy zany tao anatin'ilay izy hoe ahoana fomba fanaovana transfert na fond ao anatin'ilay système, dia nazahoako nandefa izy zany $5 ho ahy tamin'ny 9 janvier teo. Dia araka hitantsika teo misy message ny gain, ny maly, ny gain tamin'ny afaka maly, sincère system zany dia 5 jours sur 7 izy no manao an'ilay trade, ary raha rahantsika zay ary ny ato dia tena vrai business izy ity, ary raha rahantsika zay dia hitantsika misy fotoana izy tena latsaka be ny gain 0.02%, hitantsika amin'izany raha ohatra ka hoe olona mora kivy ianao zany dia tsy miditra aty fa mety hoe ho ela be ty, fa izy ity zay maha vrai business anazy. Misy fotoana izy tena ambony be, misy fotoana izy 3%, araka hitantsika eto amin'ny graphe ety 3.1%, fa amin'ny ankapobeny manodididina ny 0.50 eo zany na ka hatramin'ny 0.80 eo ny gain amin'ny ankapobeny moyenne tamin'ny jery an'izy rehetra iny tsika. Dia ny gain omaly tamin'ny 11 dia 0.75%, dia hitantsika zay ao amin'ny mira koa posteko ety, ary rehefa mahatratra 7 miaraka amiko zany ny olona ny j'aime commentaire anankiray. Dia raha mahaliana anao zay dia manao inscription ary azonao arahana ny historique ny gain, fichier tena réel omeny zareo anao ato zany tsisy zavatra miavava zany, ary azonao atao misinscrire rehefa tonga ao anatin'ny blog ianao dia tonga misy roy ao manoro anao mampiditra anao mankaty amin'ity telegram group azo ifampiresahana amin'ireo membre rehetrarehetra, ary eo ihany koa ny telegram groupe officiel zay efa misy namana 2804 ny ato amin'ny officiel zany. Dia hitantsika io ohatran'ny JJ koa izy no numéro 1 ao anatin'ity système ty, mahatratra 5000 mahery ny anazy ny membre actif, Zany hoe ny olona manao investissement partenaire-ny miara-miasa aminy. De azontsika jerena zay raha ohatra ka hijery an'izay tsika avy eo amin'ny back office de jerevy ao ato de midira ato anatin'le hoe leader de hitanao ao ny momba anazy. Ny amaranako ny vidéo dia saiko ianao zany anaraka amin'ity vidéo fohy kely ny fomba nanaovan'ny parrain-ko rehefa manao an'ilay transfert mandeha izy ato amin'ny onglet finance dia tonga de eto zay. Mila mahafantatra fotsiny ianao ilay pseudo an'ilay olona anaovana transfert tsy de ny montant, de le gain-nao eto ambony eto iny no ialan'ilay transfert amin'ny ankapobeny raha le vidéo ny parrain-ko eto.
How you would send money through the system. So it's free for me to send another member money. It doesn't cost me anything. So this is good, guys. So you go to finance, okay? So this is what you'd have to do. And I'll talk about this other times, guys, in other videos, okay? Is we'd go to finance, okay? You'd have to prove to me that you've been promoting. You'd show me your YouTube channel. You'd show me your Facebook posts. You'd show me your blogs, whatever, okay? You'd show me your balance that you have that you've been building up over the year. You'd show me your $100 that you're invested in, you're earning off. And then like this. So you can see this guy here, I sent him $10, okay, to test things out, okay? So I would pick, whatever I have, USD or token or whatever. I've got $78 USD up there. So I could put in, say I want to send this guy $30, and then I put in the username. Here, we'll send him a surprise because he lives in a country that is not very wealthy. I'll send him $10. So we'll do this, okay? So watch this, okay? So I do that, and then I could just send him. Actually, we'll send him the minimum. So yeah, very greedy. Okay, so $5 is the minimum. So I would send you like $30 or whatever. I get you to earning $15 a month there, so you could compound in the system. So we'd go like that, and the bot will send you a code. So there's the code. Or sorry, send me. I'd be the one doing all this. But if you want to do this with your team, guys, like if you've got a big team, oh, you can't copy paste the code. Okay, here we got to type it out then. So we'll do this. We'll just do the split screen here. If you got a big team, guys, you can help your team out like this. Like if you're making, 1,000, 2,000, whatever a week, like help out the little guys. Help them out. Okay, so. Give me a second. Okay, so that's 623,966. Okay, and then I confirm that, and it's going to send him there. So the bot tells me, hey, I sent him $5, and it deducts it from your balance up there. Here, we'll open this back up so it's big. Okay. And then, it says, there you go. So there's that $5 I sent him. Okay. And here's another thing you can do. So if you got a huge team and you don't know, how much people have funded and stuff, go to your careers page and then look. Okay. So we'll go and we'll find him. So there he is right there. Okay. So he's got 200. So he's been compounding. He's been building. He's got $227 in there. Now he's got an extra $5 in there. So he'll be happy about that. But look at this, guys. This is, if you do like this guy here, look at this, okay? So he probably doesn't have a ton of active people because he doesn't have a lot of money in his account, but he's going to attract people because he's promoting like crazy. Like, look at all this. He's promoting. Look at all his team. So he's really trying, guys. So I feel totally confident just going and sending him, some funds there. And he's making over $15 a month. So that's good in there, okay? So that's it from me, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And, what I just talked about here about the, I'll get you to whatever the end of the year kind of thing like that if you've only funded $100. And I understand that like $100 is a lot to you and stuff. And it's just, it's not realistic and reachable for you to get yourself to $200-$300, after your $100 test. I'll be talking about that a lot in the videos, guys, because I want that message to get out, and I want the people who have big accounts, like if you got a $5,000 account in a year from now, it's going to be freaking phenomenal. If you're team building and stuff like that, like, help out the little guys, okay? Help them out because Everybody needs help, and especially through the coronavirus stuff. It's freaking horrible, right? So that's it for me, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Drew, and I'll see you. Look at that, almost at 30,000 team turnover now. Okay, so that's like 10,000 a month if you're starting back at when I first started here.
Zay ny rahantsika teto tandroany mandra-piaona video manaraka indray ary tianao manao inscription amin'ny roy etsy ambany miaraka amin'ity video ty mandra-piaona video manaraka indray Veloma tompoko.
Okay.